Hello and welcome. If you're here, you're really curious to know about the world of internships. How to get one, why is an internship important in your career, and how to get the maximum value out of your internship experience. In this video, we'll cover all of that and more. Let's dive right in. So the first question, why are internships important in the first place? Many people will tell you many different things. They help you build skills, they help you network, and which will come in handy for you later in your career. They help you get a taste of the real world experience which your classrooms and only your theory and text will never be able to give you. All of this is right. All of this happens through your experience during internships and beyond. And in fact, one thing that we will see in the latter part of the video, different internships teach you different things. Some of these three that I mentioned and a few more as well. A very natural second question that you might have as a student is, what are the different types of internships? Internships typically vary depending on the industry that they are happening in, or let's say the function that they are a part of. For example, the first kind that I can think of is marketing internships. In your internship of this type, you might work in a marketing or a growth team on a live marketing project or a problem statement to help drive the business goal for the brand. You might work on a finance internship where you might handle lots of numbers, right? Like crunch a lot of numbers, make sense out of a lot of data, and get some important information out while learning a lot in the process. You might work on an engineering internship where you solve a live consumer problem through some of the techniques and coding and other things that you would have learned in the classroom, and some things which you might learn during the on-the-job experience as well. You might work on a creative internship wherein you might be given a creative problem statement where you deploy some of your learnings on, let's say, visual design or graphic design or videography, and you solve that problem creatively. Let's say you work on an HR internship as well. You might get a chance to actually shadow a proper HR or a people team of a company and really solve a problem which is a live problem with regards to, let's say, talent acquisition or talent management or HR operations. So in very short, I wanted to give you a flavor of the different kinds of opportunities of internships that you might have in different functions and different companies. So we learned about different kinds of internships. A very natural next question is where to find them, right? I think the very good starting point that you might have are job or career portals. Like for example, LinkedIn. It's sections on jobs and internships that are live for your location, your career preference, etc. etc. Or let's say our own Unstock, or let's say Indeed, and so on and so forth. Simply go there and filter the options which cater to your own need, and you might land on many different live opportunities of internships. The second very potent weapon that you might have is your own networking led opportunity finding that you can do for your dream internship that you want. I think that's also one thing that you can underline as you go along and build your career as a student, to understand the importance of networking, because at times many of the options that come out from networking conversations might not be there on some of the websites which we talked about in point number 1. A third place where you can hunt for your own internships is your own career centers in your colleges and universities. There is often your friendly neighborhood training and placement officer who is trying to guide you and navigate you towards a dream internship or internships, which is often something you might not get on your websites or only through networking. And lastly, and this is something that might often become a potent weapon in your internship hunting journey, is the navigation in company websites themselves. Some of those new gen companies and even traditional companies have extremely well updated career sections where you might find the live opportunities on internships, projects, or even full-time jobs. Remember, finding an internship takes a lot of time, and hence you have to be at it and explore all these different channels and avenues that we talked about. Let us say you got your dream internship. Now the next question is how to stand out as an intern during your internship experience. There are 3 or 4 basic things to keep in mind during your internship weeks at your firm. Let's go and tackle them one by one. Number 1, you have to ask a lot of questions and clarify any doubts and queries that you might have as basically a potential fresher, because it's expected that you wouldn't know a lot of things. If you don't ask questions, you are then deemed to be someone who just takes things at face value and doesn't really seek to understand that what is the problem statement, what is the reality in the business, what is the real problem statement, what is the consumer pain point, and so on and so forth. So that's point number 1, keep asking questions. Second, seek feedback like your life depends on it. Internship, above any other thing like paying a stipend, being a great point on your resume, is an excellent feedback seeking opportunity. Do not ever lose an opportunity during those few weeks that you spend with your internship manager and other colleagues to keep seeking feedback. What is it that I can learn from what I just did? What is it that I can learn from the mistake that I just committed? Right? Was there a different way that I could have done this particular thing that I just did? And so on and so forth. So ask feedback. Third, be professional. Be as professional as you can. Meet your deadlines if you have met the deadlines. Trust me, everyone will be observing you, even if they do not have a direct reporting manager relationship with you, right? And that's something that I want to tell you very clear, that let's say coming on time during your internship every day also leaves a mark. And at times that actually probably gives you a better opportunity if you are always at it, and if you're always professional, if you're always diligent, to increase your chance of probably converting that internship into a potential full-time job opportunity as well. Lastly, networking. Like we mentioned in the beginning, internship is something that helps you network like many other things. It never lose a chance to network with everyone, whether in your direct project team or beyond. Talk to anyone. There are lots of learnings that are there for you to take just through networking. Also, you never know when in future which person that you network with during your internship will somehow be of some use, or let's say some value to either themselves or to you, right? So that's something that's a benefit of networking that I want to leave with you. And these 3-4 facets that can really, if done well, help you stand out as an intern during your internship experience. So in this video, we learned a few things, hopefully, that why are internships important, how to go out and figure out different types of internships, what are the different types of internships, and lastly, when you get an internship, how to really stand out during your internship in the organization that you will be working on. Finally, before I sign off, would like to leave you with this simple tip or a trick if you like, that really stay hungry and stay foolish during your internships. I think the learning and the networking opportunity that any internship offers, doesn't matter the quantum of it, that's something that will be very, very valuable for you as a student. Whichever type of internship, wherever you landed, just don't lose any opportunity to learn and absorb whatever is happening around you. If you found this helpful, do like our channel, subscribe to the channel, and keep exploring more such content on internships and beyond on Unstop Unhinged. If you have more questions, queries about the world of internships, do drop in the comment section. We will get back to you with whatever we know and beyond. See you in the next video.